Today, we're going to build a Zeta-class cargo hauler using 13 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with our trusty Travis brick, and now the top stud of our Travis brick is going to be the front of our cargo hauler, and that big open end on the bottom is now going to be the back. And now on the front stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate and just put it on that front stud, and then I want to create that sloped front. So to do that, I'm going to get a cheese wedge slope and just put it so that the slope, the small end of the slope is on the bottom and the fat end is on the top, so it slopes upward. Now on the back, I'm going to get two 1x1 plates, put those 1x1 plates on that back and that big black hole to kind of give this cargo hauler a bigger body so it has room to carry all these Kyber crystals. Now once those are in place, I've got the body and I have to create the wings. And to create the wings, I'm going to grab two of these T-bar pieces. I'm going to put the T-bar pieces on the side studs of my Travis bricks, the ones on the side here. And once I get them in, I want to get them about even, because if we push them both in, one might be uneven. So you just want to push them in at the same time so they're nice and even on both sides. And now once those are in place, to create my four wings, I'm going to grab four of these 1x2 plates with clip on top, and I'm going to put those clips onto the ends of the T-bar. Now I want to do the ends because if I put it in the center, just kind of pop them there in the center, it's going to look like one wing, and I want to have two wings on each side. So to do that, we make sure to move those clips near the end. Now you can have them like hanging off the ends a little bit, but you definitely want the clips attached enough so they're not going to fly off. So get those clips, put them on the end of my T-bar, put those clips on the end of my T-bar, and we've got the wings of our Zeta-class cargo hauler. Now, this is almost done, but now if you look at the cargo hauler, it's got a smoother top, so I don't like that stud on the top. So to smooth out the top of my cargo hauler, where the slope goes up and fatter, I'm going to get a 1x2 ingot piece. I'm going to put this 1x2 ingot piece right there in the center of the top stud of my Travis brick to smooth out the top and still give it some nice texture. Now, on the bottom, I still got one more stud. Now, if you look at the Kyber crystals that these things are carrying, they're in these orange crates. And to create that orange crate, I'm going to use a 1x2 jumper plate in orange and then flip it over, and I've got that anti-stud right there in the center. I'm going to put that anti-stud into the bottom stud of my Travis brick, and now my cargo hauler has a shipment of Kyber crystals so he can take off, lower those wings, and fly off to the Death Star with its delivery.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.